Hey everyone, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to edit meals on HelloFresh. So if you haven't signed up for HelloFresh yet, you can use my link down below in order to get a box of free meals when you sign up for HelloFresh. So again, that link is down below in the description. Do sign up if you haven't signed up just yet. But in order to edit your meals on HelloFresh, it's actually rather easy. So right now, today's date is April 19th. If you haven't edited your meals in time, as you can see here on April 21st, it's not going to let you edit this order. So you do have to edit your meals 3 days prior to actually shipping out your box. So here on April 28th, for example, I can edit my meals though. You simply just click on the week and then you click on edit delivery. That is how you edit your meals on HelloFresh. So again, if you are too late to actually editing your HelloFresh meals, you won't be able to. You have to do it 3 days prior to your actual delivery date. And as you can see, you simply just click on the week and then just click on edit delivery or change meals. It's very, very easy to actually change your meals or edit your meals on HelloFresh. So again, if you haven't signed up for HelloFresh just yet, I highly recommend it. This is what I currently do on a week-to-week basis. You can use my link down below in the description in order to get a free box of meals of HelloFresh.